Is it true Shaitan can possess someone if they don't cover their mouth when they yawn?
He could possess the shaitan. It's not every time that you open your mouth for yawning that the shaitan is going to possess you. But that is one of the proofs to say that there is possession. Possession, Khwani, one of the proofs of that this is فَإِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ يَدْخُلُ. Where is he going to enter? He's opened the mouth. Where is he going to enter? In his ears? He's going to enter in the mouth because it's open. So when he enters in the mouth, he's going to be doing what? He's going to be in chaos. So he's going to go inside. He's going to go into your veins. Because the Prophet said, "Inna shaytana yajri min ibni Adam majra dami fil uruq." Shaitan runs into human being just like the blood runs into the vein. He's got the ability to change himself into something that he go inside and cause devastation.